Welcome to this explainer. Let's dive into the mind of a scholar who completely flipped our understanding of Earth.
First, a massive question. Does nature control human destiny, or do we humans shape nature?
A century ago, geography was locked into a rigid theory called environmental determinism. Scholars back then believed we were literally just products of our climate. We had zero real influence.
But then Carl O. Sauer stepped up. He challenged this whole worldview and totally transformed the field. Growing up watching Missouri farms, Sauer's deep curiosity made him question the dominant geographic theories of his day.
While studying Michigan landscapes, he realized the environment alone just couldn't explain the massive human impact he saw.
This was a massive paradigm shift. We moved from nature controlling us to us actively reshaping nature.
In 1925, he dropped a landmark paper called The Morphology of Landscape. It shook the geographic world. He introduced a brilliantly simple formula. Culture is the agent, nature is the medium, creating the cultural landscape.
The crucial takeaway, nature gives us the foundation, but we humans actively modify and shape it.
By proving landscapes aren't purely natural, Sauer totally earned his title, the father of cultural geography.
At UC Berkeley, he built a global research powerhouse, training generations of scholars to study human ecology.
Sauer didn't just hide in libraries. He conducted legendary, hands-on fieldwork across Mexico and Latin America.
He observed indigenous societies directly, learning how their farming systems evolved through centuries of cultural experimentation. He recognized the immense power we have to alter the Earth. But this came with a dark warning.
Long before modern environmentalism, Sauer boldly called out things like deforestation, soil degradation, and resource exploitation.
He was a true pioneer, famously fusing geography right alongside anthropology, history, archaeology, and ecology.
Critics said he lacked quantitative methods, but even they can't deny his immense influence and ongoing debate.
Sauer passed away in 1975, but his groundbreaking ideas about human ecology actually grew more influential.
Today, whether we're using AI or satellites, modern geographers are still asking Sauer's fundamental question.
So next time you see a landscape, will you just see nature or our shared human story?